Hi, my name is Christian, and I'm a GL logger expert at Vector. Today, we'll be going over the magic of data logger configuration management with the Vector Logger Suite Favorite Assistant. This tool allows the user to narrow down the usable features in the navigation tree. The Favorites Assistant is useful for workflow optimization in the VL Suite. Let's go over the setup. To configure the Favorite Assistant setup, open the VL Suite software, and let's create a new generic project. The Favorites Assistant allows us to pre-configure this initial logger type. There are many options in the navigation menu too. Just above the navigation tree, we have the Favorite Assistant Configurator tool. This is signified by a magic wand icon. Press the icon to open the tool. Here, we have a couple of pre-configuration options. We can display all functions like we do when opening a default configuration, or we can open some basic functions. Let's try these basic functions first. Now, the navigation menu limits the menus that we have access to. Also know that we can toggle between this limited option menu and all options by clicking this toggle switch. This switches between the favorites view and the full view. We can also create a more specific description for our favorite assistant. Let's reopen the assistant and go through these steps. First, we select our most used logger. In my case, it's the GL2400. Now when we open a new configuration, our logger will always be the default selection. Next, we select the bus channel types. We're only using CAN today. Next, we select the types of data sources we want to record. Let's go with GPS and measurement modules to record GPS data and CSM measurement module data. We can hover over the blue information icon to see any associated info. What protocol types do we log? Select those here. Finally, we select further wanted features. Press Next. We're done with the Favorites Assistant. Press Finish to see our new navigation menu. Here's our new navigation menu, which will help us optimize our workflow. We can always press the magic wand icon again to reconfigure the Favorites menu, or use Show All to show other options. We don't have to use the wizard either. See how easy it is to add or remove settings just by changing the status of the blue stars. It should also be noted that if we configure a setting on any page, it will appear as a favorite regardless of whether it has been favorited by the Favorite Assistant beforehand. This is useful so that anybody working with the project doesn't miss any configured settings. And that's all I wanted to talk about for this video. I hope this helped you to quickly get your Favorites Assistant set up. Please check out our other logger tutorials, and feel free to reach out to us with any questions or concerns. Thank you.